Nadim Umar. I am studying in UKG. Today is 14th November. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. My name is Abdul Kafir, respected teacher and my dear friend. Today, November 14th, we celebrate as Children's Day. It is the born of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. Morning everyone. My name is Kashmir. I am studying UKG. Today is 14 November. Every year, it's the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. We love children very much. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. My name is Abdullah. I study in UKG. Happy Children's Day. My name is Aisha Siddiqa. Study in UKG. November 14th. Today is Children's Day. We celebrate this day to honor Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal loved children. We are the future of our country. Work hard to achieve our goal. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. My name is Nasika. Today is Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Saha. I am studying UKG. The 14 November is repeated as Industry area. It is the birthday of Bani Loud Children. Happy Children's Day.